Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Altima transmission. First, gather all necessary tools, including a sturdy transmission jack, a complete socket set, and a large fluid drain pan. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is securely elevated on 4 robust jack stands or a professional lift. Always begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent any accidental electrical shorts during the process. Now, let's get to removing the old transmission. Begin by thoroughly draining all the transmission fluid into your drain pan. Next, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors, the shift linkage, and any transmission cooler lines. You will then need to remove the starter motor and the bolts securing the torque converter. Finally, support the engine with an engine hoist or brace, then unbolt the transmission from the engine block. With the old unit out, it's time to install your new transmission. Carefully lift and align the new transmission with the engine block, ensuring a precise fit. It is crucial to confirm that the torque converter is fully seated into the transmission pump before mating the transmission to the engine. Once aligned, bolt the transmission securely to the engine, then reinstall the torque converter bolts and the starter motor. For the final steps, reconnect all electrical connectors, the shift linkage, and the transmission cooler lines. Next, refill the transmission with the manufacturer-specified type and amount of fluid. This is typically around 8 to 10 quarts. Once everything is reconnected, lower your vehicle and carefully check for any leaks. Finally, perform a thorough road test to ensure smooth shifting and proper operation before considering the job complete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.